Looking ahead to the winter, what's the outlook there? Nick Johnston will be along with two very different ways of predicting the outcome.
Love it or hate it, winter is just around the corner. But how can you tell if this winter will be mild like last year or bury us in record-setting snow?
We have a mathematical formula that was developed back in the 1800s. It's applied to sunspot activity, planet positions, the effect the moon has on the Earth, and all of that allows us to do our weather 2 years in advance.
For a more modern approach, I headed to the National Weather Service headquarters in Albany.
There's statistical analysis. Again, they're looking at past winters. A lot of the ENSO, the El Nino, La Nina.
Two very different ways of forecasting the weather. Now for the million-dollar question.
So what is the winter outlook? What's it looking like for the Northeast this year, both in terms of temperatures and, of course, the snowfall?
I do think that your region should really get, I hate to say dumped on, but you should see winter. You should see quite a bit of it in December. Should certainly be a white Christmas.
Okay, the Old Farmer's Almanac is calling for a hard, snowy December with a couple of big late-season storms as well. But what does the National Weather Service think?
If it's right, we'll have a cold early part of the winter, November, December, and maybe more normal the second half of the winter.
Sounds like a pretty similar prognosis. So when it comes to this upcoming winter, what's the bottom line?
Chances are we'll have more snow this season than we did last.
I would say that's a good bet.
Good bet or not, we'll see if all those prognostications come true.
I know what people are probably hoping for. I shouldn't say everybody. Some really like a lot of that snow. But
I've talked to a lot of snowmobilers that say they haven't been able to go anywhere in a year or two, so they'll
take Snowmageddon, I guess.
I think they'll take it.
All right.